Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This is a very exciting video because this particular video is regarding ticker symbol GNOG, GNOG, which is for Golden Nugget Online, and that stock was up 50% today. So when I woke up in the morning, I was surprised because I was not sure what's happening, why my profile is up so much, and I'm so happy it was up 50%. So in this particular video, I want to talk about what was the news, why it popped up, and what is the next thing going to happen. Should you buy, should you hold, or should you sell everything to lock your profit? If you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, do not forget to join my YouTube community where you can become a member by paying $5 per month, and you can get daily member specific trade ideas with support, resistance, when to get in, when to get out, so you know how to trade and you just make money. So anyway, give a try, and we have been making money. Our alerts are working, our videos are working, and we are killing it. So anyway, give a try. So first of all, GNOG was up 50%, and most probably you know the news, but if you do not know, I will just cover quickly. So DraftKings, we know about DraftKings, reaches agreement to acquire Golden Nugget Online Gaming in all stock transaction. So what's the big deal, right? So the big deal is it will be for an equity value of approximately 1.56 billion. Keep that in mind. I'm not going to cover everything. I will just go down. I just want to show you the important thing which matters. I don't want to talk about everything, right? So the details of transaction. So look here, few important things. So under the terms of merger agreement entered on August 9th, Golden Nugget Online stakeholder would receive a fixed ratio of 0.365 shares of DKNG. So if you have one Golden Nugget share, you will have 0.365 DKNG share. Or if you have, let's say, 10 Golden Nugget share, you will get 3.65 DKNG share. We will do some calculation because this number is important, 0.365, and we will look at different scenarios how this number will play out in the future. Also, if you want, let's go down a little bit. I want to show you something. Yeah, so it's somewhere here, first quarter. Yeah, so the transaction is subject to approval by Golden Nugget stakeholders. The receipt of required regulatory approval and other things is expected to close in the first quarter of 2022. So this is still not finalized. It needs approval from the GNOG shareholder. So keep that in mind. So if everything goes good by first quarter of 2022, then this thing will happen. So one DKNG, one Golden Nugget will become 0.365 DKNG shares, right? So this is the important thing. Now look at the price action. What happened today? I want to talk about different scenarios because I know you know about the news. Look at the daily chart. The RSI went up so high, currently around 82. It's so high. And if you look at daily chart previously, whenever it went to 82, it came down. Keep that in mind. Look at the MACD. Everything is going up, 50% up. It makes sense. But why the price is sitting around here? Look at the DKNG share price, which is around $52. So if it is $52, so 52 multiplied by 0.0365, let me check again. I'm using the correct number, 0.365, yes. So 0.365 will give you 18.98. So if by first quarter, whenever the transaction will happen, if DKNG share is around $52, then GNOG share will be approximately $19. So this morning the share price went around 19.1, then it came down, and currently it closed the day around 18. Let's see the price. What is the price? Around 18.25, 18.3, does not matter. So you know why the price is stayed here. This is the most important thing. Let's look at the hourly chart. I want to show what happened. So after the news, it went all the way to 19.2, came down around 17, $18, then went up, and currently it is sitting around 18.12 after hours. So this is the main thing. Now few things can happen. If the DraftKings share price goes higher, one thing can happen, the GNOG price can move in the same ratio, maintaining 0.365. So if DKNG goes higher, GNOG can go in the same ratio If DraftKings comes down, it can come in the same ratio. This is one thing. If that is happening, in that case, and if you're long term, look at the Nasdaq buy analyst rating for DKNG. It has a strong buy. Look at the names. These are the big names. They have an average price target of 67 with a high of 105 and with a low of $42. Let's say if it is $67, so 67 multiplied by 0.365. So your GNOG share price will be around $24, right? If DKNG goes to its previous high, which is around $73, $74, let's see what will happen. So 75 multiplied by 0.365, your GNOG share will be $27. So these are the numbers. If DraftKings goes to its high of $100, then your GNOG will be close to $30, $32 anyway. So if you believe that DraftKings will go to its previous high, at least 67 or 75 or $100, then GNOG price is a steal, right? Because if you think 52 is the price, not for long term for DKNG, then you can also invest in GNOG and anticipating that the approval and the everything will go smoothly, right? So this is one thing. But if DKNG comes down, let's say it comes down to 42 again, what can happen? In that case, 42 multiplied by 0.365 is around $15. So if DKNG comes down, GNOG can comes down again. So what you can do, so many things you can happen. First of all, what I did today, when it went from $12 to 18, I sold everything around 18.8. It came down around 18, but I did not sell because I'm just looking at the chart. On a 1 hour chart, on a daily chart, GNOG is really extended because it was up 50%. But today was the news, right? Sometime after the news, everything pops, and with time it comes down. So maybe if it comes down around 17 or even $15, maybe I will enter again, because if it is $15, it means your GNOG is around $42. So this is a nice price. So I will be watching GNOG price. So just looking at the chart, I see there is a support around 17. The next support is around 15. I will re-enter again if it comes to 15 or even 17. I think I'm okay with 17 because I sold everything around 18.8 today. Also look at the daily chart for GNOG. This is the area 18.5. This is the area it has massive resistance, right? And today it stopped at the same place. So if it comes down, I will buy. This is one thing. Now look at DraftKings chart. Look at DraftKings chart. So they went to 74, they came down to 42, 43 area. So looking good. If it comes to 43, hopefully GNOG will also come down. In that case, I will buy GNOG. So I will be watching both GNOG and DKNG side by side. In the event it breaks 52, 53 support, I think DKNG will go towards 55, 56, or it might go back to 64. In that case, GNOG will go up. So anyway, I will only enter if GNOG goes down. Yes, I know DraftKings is a good long-term one. It will go higher, that is fine, but my mind is saying GNOG will come down at least to 17, or who knows, if there is a correction, DraftKings comes down, GNOG can also come down to $15. In that case, I will get in. Otherwise, I'm happy with my profit, 50% profit today. So that's the plan. I will be watching both GNOG and DraftKings, and I want to see whether they move in the same ratio of 0.365. If they go side by side in the same ratio, then you can just follow only one chart. But DraftKings is a long-term hold for many people because this is the king in the space, online gaming industry. So it will definitely go back to 64 to me, because they had a earning, they had some share offering, so many things happened. It came down. If it comes to 42, you can either invest on DKNG or GNOG, anticipating the merger, the acquisition will occur smoothly. So this is my plan. I'm so happy for today. I sold everything, and I'm just watching the chart, and you can also watch for the very last time I closed. So you see that here from 17 it went to 19, came down, went up again. After hour it is coming down. So pre-market will be interesting, because after hour, even end of the day, you can see some red candles on a 15-minute chart, right? So it has been coming down, and after the news there is a pop. Then after some time it dies and it comes down. You can see the RSI has been coming down, so hopefully it will come down. Maybe it will come down around 17, or who knows, even more. So if it comes to 17, I will just add a little bit, but I will just add more around $15. But for now, I sold everything. I locked my profit. I'm happy, and that was a very, very great day for me because the morning was really a big surprise. Anyway, if you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, try the YouTube community, join, become a member, and get daily trade ideas, pre-market, during the market hour, so you know when to get in, get out. So you will do your trade, but I can give you trade ideas for different tickers so that we can all make money together. So anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.